Hey Noah, I'm just in my office grading these. Let's see. Your PSD file looks pretty good. I just wish you would have moved this over so that there wasn't like a line here. Um, just so you were framed a little bit better in the composition. Uh, I like I like how this turned out though. I think the colors look good. I think it looks a lot better than it did. Um, and you have a lot of, you have a lot of layers here. You did quite a few different things. I can only tell if you've maybe clipped yourself. So clipping masks, layer masks, there's not as many as I was hoping for. They look like they look like this, the clipping masks. Camden did a couple in her composition here, but anyway, this looks pretty good though. But you are not in CMYK color mode, and your canvas size is not 8.5 by 11. So it is still high resolution though, technically. I mean, if I go in here and change this to 300, it's 7 by 9 inches, or 7 by 10 roughly at 300, which is still relatively decent resolution, which means it's not going to be blurry when it's printed, but it isn't the right image size. So, the fact that you don't have the clipping masks or the layer masks, and you don't have it in CMYK color mode, and you don't have it at the right size is going to hurt your grade. But I think overall, like, I can tell that you brought in quite a few different things. You were playing around with the layers in here. You did a pretty good clip on yourself. Unfortunately, we're missing the clipping mask that you did, but it does look good. So overall, good job. There's some technical specifications in there that weren't quite met. So definitely with the Illustrator logo project, logo design project coming up, just try to make sure that you're setting your document up correctly in CMYK color mode. I think it's 3 by 3 inches, and naming your files, a little bit better. Not, like without the -2 and without the the copy in the JPEG file. You had a space copy there. So anyway, just watch those for next time. Talk to you later. Good job.